Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDC from Robinhood to Coinbase step by step. First, open your Robinhood app and tap the crypto option at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through your list of cryptocurrencies and select USDC. If you don't see it, tap the search icon at the top and search for USDC, then select it. On the USDC page, scroll down and tap Send. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then tap Continue. Next, tap Enter manually at the bottom to paste your Coinbase wallet address. Now, open your Coinbase app. Tap the search icon, search for USDC, and select it from the results. Scroll down and tap Receive. This will show your wallet address. Tap Copy next to the address. Go back to Robinhood and paste the Coinbase USDC address into the field. Tap Review, double-check the address, and make sure both apps use the same network, then tap Transfer. Once confirmed, your USDC will be sent from Robinhood to Coinbase. It might take a few minutes to show up depending on the network speed. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDC from Robinhood to Coinbase. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.